What's good, my YouTubers? It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. I'm going to do a withdrawal proof video. Now, I do be hearing that people are not getting their withdrawals, but this is what I did. I made a withdrawal of $29.70. I'm gonna show y'all right now. As you can see, where is that? Let me find it. Oops. Let me find my withdrawal thing. Oh, there it is. I did withdraw, the Bitcoin right here. You see where it says complete? It's already completed, so I'm going to show y'all the money. January 7th, 2018. Here it is right here. My withdrawal proof right here. Now, I didn't get this withdrawal until like a couple hours because there's been some issues with the unconfirmed transactions, which is right here. I'm going to show you. See, there's a whole lot of transactions. We have about 153K. Oh, damn, 164. See, look at that. See, this is why you may not be getting your withdrawals real fast. Because the transactions. So you guys need to remember, when you do a withdrawal, you have to remember that there will be a transaction delay, which is the unconfirmed. Because mine took a long time to confirm. Real long time. Because the Bitcoin is very popular. Now let's take a look at the coin market. Okay. Let's see. It's looking pretty good. $16K, $331. And we lost about 4.95%. And you see this little yellow thing right here? It's a little steady. We'll be okay though. So that's kind of like why, things are not going too fast, because everybody is buying. And most importantly, they be setting, because they like doing a lot of investments in programs. So yeah, so far no issue. Now the reason why I did a withdrawal, because like I said before, people were saying that they're not getting their money. So I don't know if y'all doing it right or wrong, but my suggestion is just make a withdrawal, see what happens. I made a withdrawal already, so I already showed y'all my proof. I did get it. I didn't get that for like a couple hours. I thought it might take a couple days, because the unconfirmed transactions I've been telling y'all about blockchain. So if you use them blockchain, that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna give you a lot of, a little struggle with the withdrawal. But yeah, so far I like this company. I will rate this as a medium and high risk. The reason why I said that, because the terahash is pretty cheap. So if you decide to invest with this, only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't put in your life savings on this. Just do whatever it is, because we don't know how long these things last. But so far with this one, it's been 6 months, I heard. So we might be doing pretty good. Now, if it does stay, that means this is a legitimate, just like Genesis Mining and all the other programs. But yeah, that's it. I just thought I did a withdrawal proof, so people won't be like, "Oh, it's a scam," No, it's not a scam. They didn't do it as a scam. Cause I saw it on Twitter. They said that they might have withdrawal delays. You guys can't be calling these scams when people. I mean, the truth is, people might say that the withdrawals are gonna be delayed because of unconfirmed transactions. Sometimes it's not an excuse, but sometimes it's real. And it was real, because I looked at it. I didn't get my transaction until maybe 6 or 8 hours later, and I did send some money over to the other thing. It's still not confirmed yet, but I'm not worried because it's gonna get confirmed soon. But anyways, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Before I get off this video, please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Let's get this money. Alright, peace.